G'day guys, so today we are showing you our new product that we've been working with Wilwood for the last couple of years. So it's a 4-piston caliper to fit to a HQ to WB factory stub axle or our drop stub axles, whatever you'd prefer. It retains the factory HQ to WB brake line, so you don't have to go to a new brake line, you can use a OEM stuff. So in the kit you'll get your 2 calipers, set of brake pads and some new mounting hardware just in case you're not happy with the old stuff or they're getting a bit old and crappy looking. So we're going to go through, put them all together, put them on the car behind us and just show you how they fit up. Obviously it's factory fit, but to prove to everyone it's not too hard to do and fits on. Factory 14-inch HQ wheel will fit over it and clear everything, so let's get it done. So we've got our full factory rotor caliper set up in our Sandman here. So we're going to flick this one off. I'm going to leave it plumbed up just because we're not changing the brakes on this. I'm just doing it to show you guys at home. So I'll whip this one off, I'll put that kit together and we'll whack it on. All right, so on fitting, it fits up pretty well. On some of the factory sub axles, you might find where the caliper mounts on these two bosses, that there might be excess casting nubs on there that might just need to be smoothed off with a flap disc to get the caliper to sit down so you can line the bolt holes up correctly. But that'll only occur in some cases depending on how the casting's broken away when they've made the stub axle. So other than that, that's all fitted up. Factory brake line would fit in, but we're not taking the fluid out of this system just yet, so that's ready to race. Hook a brake light up, bleed your system, and away you go.